The Indian government has admitted that 40 Indians have been abducted in Mosul in Iraq. We're not sure who's abducted them, but the rumor is that it is the Sunni militant group, the shadowy group who calls itself the Islamic State in Iraq and Levant, or the ISIS. What we also know is that the former ambassador to Iraq, Mr. Suresh Reddy, has been sent there to enhance the entire operation on ground in the mission. The Indian government is urging any Indians, and there is no real number that they can put to the number of Indians there, because there are some who are registered with the embassy, some who aren't and have gone as contract workers, to come back. And also, the Indian government has set up a helpline for any of those wanting to know about their relatives stranded in Iraq.
I think the solution lay within, my view, the United States, whom people say are the original creator of the problem.
What I feel in this crisis, what has happened that this is, everybody knows that this is oil politics. Happened to these militant groups when America was there.
And interestingly now, there are murmurs of back-channel diplomacy between the US and Iran on finding some solution to what's happening in Iraq right now.
ISIS is originally an Iraqi sort of thing, but they utilized the Arab Spring to create a space for themselves there. And Eastern Syria is in their control now. The area adjoining now Western Iraq is with them.
I feel that essentially this is a very modern problem, the problem of the demise of the nation state, and in face of religious dogma which neither recognizes nor appreciates national boundaries. So you see a greater situation in terms of the Irani state getting into the action, and obviously other states like Pakistan, where there are significant Shia populations. Pakistan has the second largest, and many Pakistanis are in fact pilgrims to Iraq, in Karbala and wherever.
The danger is going to come more if America is going to intervene into the situation, because at that time they will not be differentiating between the people there. They would be just bombing the places. So it would be more of concern for other civilians and innocents if America intervenes.
We are mostly dependent on the Gulf for oil, and what we have been doing historically, we are skipping to take some perfect positions in this kind of politics where the US intervenes.